Welcome to another shitty how-to on how to let your friends know what kind of hardware your machine consists of in case you need to upgrade something or you have a problem that might be hardware related because none of the software fixes you've tried or they've tried or other people have tried or whatever doesn't seem to have any positive effect according to your expectations, yada yada yada. Basically, HWiNFO is available at hwinfo.com/download. I'll leave a link in the description. What we'll cover is downloading, running it, and using it to export a list of all your hardware components. Let's get to it. You may click on any of these because if you go to FuzzHub, you'll get the option again if you want the beta installer or portable version. I like the portable version because installing shit you don't need installed is unnecessary. So we'll just simply click it and we'll open it with Windows Explorer because why not? Once it's open, you can simply just choose to run one of the executables, 64 if you're on a 64-bit Windows, 32 if you're on 32. I am on a 64-bit Windows, so I'll run it, even though 32 would probably work just as fine. So let's run it. Once it's running, oh, you have to provide admin, by the way, so do that. Once it's running, which is it's currently not, you have to untick these things, just because I'll show you some stuff. Hit run. It'll basically say, hey, I have an update. Go away. This is basically just information on your central processing unit, which is nice, but not needed at the moment. If you're at a friend's house and you wonder what the fuck is this machine made out of, this is a good place to start, but not what we want. We want this. All of this stuff. For instance, everything about the CPU, or what motherboard is in the machine in case you need to download drivers, or, information about memory. You can save it into a report. A nice little HTML file, which they can then open in their browser. You get to choose where you want to store this. I prefer to just throw it on the desktop because it's easily accessible. So I'll call it my.html and save and next. And it'll ask, what do you want to export? And everything is good. You don't really need the current username for this particular scenario, so fuck it, and hit finish. And ta-da, we have a file on the desktop, which is basically this, a list of all the things in your machine, which you may now send to your friend with superior knowledge for them to analyze and make decisions on your behalf if you're incapable of making such decisions yourself, which is completely fine, and I ask for help a lot too, so that's it. Have a nice day, and goodbye.